Hey paper crafters, thank you so much for joining me today. I love that you took the time to pop by my channel, check out the video that I've got going, and hopefully stay and poke around a little bit. I'm really excited to be able to offer some videos now and then and share my love of paper crafting. So I hope you find something that you enjoy and come back to see me another time. Bye-bye. Hey paper crafting friends, thanks for joining me today. I just got my Annie's Card Maker monthly club in the mail. So I am gonna open that with ya so we can see what's inside this month. So it comes in this padded envelope. I'm having a heck of a time. All right, that should be enough. Let's see what we've got. Ooh, I like the colors already. That's cool. So, probably don't need to see all my paperwork. And it's in this nice sealed bag. Looks like everything arrived in good shape. Looks like this month's kit is called Kaleidoscope. Jewel tones are my favorite, so right away I'm pretty happy when I just look at the front of this. It's got like bright pinks and purples and teals. So let's see what we're going to be making. There's some sample cards. These are kind of fun, just pattern designs. I guess we'll see how we're going to be doing these. So cool. What have we got? We've got a selection of little stamp pads that it came with. And then a couple of containers of like little baggies. These are kind of an iridescent sequin, 2 different sizes. It's got a stamp set. I don't know how well you can see that. I know the light creates a bit of a glare sometimes. So just some different designs. So those will be fun for creating some different patterns and things. Package of envelopes. Let's see how many we got. We always like to know what we're gonna get, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 envelopes this time. A pen. This looks like probably a shimmer pen. This looks really similar to the design of the ones that I get from Close to My Heart. So I'll read about that in a minute and make sure I'm guessing that correctly. These are packaged card bases. So these are already scored and ready to use. So let's see. Oh, these are thick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. These are nice, thick, good quality. Okay, and then for paper, we've got some cardstock, like this turquoise, white, 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 orange, purple, pink, and then a bunch of kind of punch out pieces. So both sheets are the same. So nice bright colors to match all the stamp pads. And then lots of little sentiments on here. I think you're wonderful, enjoy your day, birthday wishes, you mean the world to me. Okay, so all kinds of fun little punch out sentiments. I'm going to see if I can check real quick in the book what it says about, yeah, glitter brush marker. Okay, so this marker, you've probably seen me use something similar in some of my previous videos. You've got to open it by taking off this piece here, give it a shake, and then a gentle squeeze, and it's just going to let out a liquid that's just a clear kind of shimmery liquid. So it's just a fun little detail to add. So I am going to get playing with this here. I don't know if I'm going to do it this afternoon or another time, but I'll share with you as I do some of the cards and things that I make, so you can see if it looks like something fun that you would want to play with. If you decide that you are interested in this Annie's Card Maker Kit Club, there is a link in the description box that would take you right there and give you a discount off of your first month. So fun stuff. I will see you guys soon. I hope you're having a great day, whatever you're up to. Bye-bye.